Hey there, Stampers. This is Sherry Roth. I'm a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Alberta, Canada, and I'm excited to be here today to share with you the details of the September 2023 Autumn Leaves class to go. So this is a class put on for you by myself and Laura Milligan, a US demonstrator, and we are so excited about this month's cards. I don't know about Laura, but fall is my favorite season and I love fall crafting. The 6 cards that we're going to create in this month's class are great for any occasion that you will be celebrating over the course of the next few months. So they are fall themed, but you can switch them out to make them Thanksgiving cards, thank you cards, thinking of you cards, birthday cards, really any type of card. All right. So let's go into the details. Now our class to go features this beautiful bundle from the September to December 2023 mini catalog, Autumn Leaves. So it's got this gorgeous stamp set with these fabulous leaves and then some great greetings and then the die set. Beautiful. So you will need that stamp set or something similar in order to create the cards that we're going to make this month. Now there are 4 different options to participate in this class. So option number 1 is a class fee of $45. You can participate anywhere in Canada. If your kit needs to be shipped, it's an additional $5, and it includes half a package of this beautiful All About Autumn DSP. It's a 6x6 DSP, but you can see that it's got some photographic imagery on one side, and then it's got some geometric patterns on the other side. And it is a specialty paper, so there is some foil detailing on some of the images. So I'll just do a quick flip through. Look at that one. I mean, it is absolutely stunning paper. And then we've got a wood grain in here. Look at that. I love the colors of fall. So pretty. The cards that we're making this month are amazing. Here's some pumpkins. We've got a bookshelf. Look at those leaves. Love, love, love this DSP. So there's a quick peek at the 6x6 DSP. It also includes the distressed tile embossing folder, which is a brand new embossing folder. Now, if you've already ordered this embossing folder, you do have the option to substitute it out for something of equal or lesser value. And a quarter package of this beautiful oxidized copper DSP. And any additional supplies, pre-cut supplies that you'll need to create the cards. So you'll get the ribbon, the embellishments, the pre-cut card stock, and all of that. Okay. And they are 6 different cards. So we're not duplicating any cards. They are 6 unique cards that you can use the patterns and switch up the DSP and recreate card after card after card. You will also receive an emailed PDF, which includes photos, a supply list, and links to videos for all 6 cards. Okay, now option 2, if you do not already own this bundle and it's on your wish list, then option 2 is your best option. So you can purchase the bundle, the embossing folder, and a package of the DSP, or $110.50 worth of product of your choice using the class host code, or you can email me. Now, at the point that I'm filming this video, this DSP is actually not available. So you won't be able to order this bundle online or these products online. Well, everything except the DSP you can order online. But if you would prefer to have one shipping cost, just email me, let me know that you want the I Want It All option, and I'd be happy to place the order for you when it becomes available. It's going to become available the week of September 11th, so it's not a long wait at all. All right. So if you do option 2 and order these 3 products, the bundle, the DSP, and the distress tile embossing folder, then you will receive the quarter package of the oxidized copper specialty DSP and the 6 pre-cut card kits and the emailed PDF and my monthly 16 project tutorial absolutely free. All right, so that is the best option. And then option number 3 is for team members. If you are on my Stamped Treasures team or Treasure Stampers team, then you can request this tutorial for just $15. And then option 4, because I have a lot of followers that are outside of Canada, option 4 is you can purchase the tutorial only because I can't sell product across the border. And there will be a link in the description below where you can find that tutorial. All right, so I hope you guys decide to, oh, I was gonna share a little peek at the projects. So I've got 3 of the projects that I'm gonna share with you today. We've got this one, and this one, and this one's a bit of a fun fold. So those are 3 of the 6 beautiful cards that we're gonna be creating. All right, so I hope to see you in class. Deadline to register is September 15th. All right, take care.